Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the tallest building in Jamaica. It's now official, the Rogers is now the tallest building in Jamaica. It has reached, they are actually working on the 19th floor now. The building is going to be 20 floors when it's finished, and it has reached 19 floors. So this is now the tallest building in Jamaica. It surpasses the Pegasus Hotel, which is 17 floors. And there you can see it's a very nice building. It still has a far way to go, but in terms of height, it is now taller than the Pegasus. Now to the left is Genesis 28, which is 8 floors. So you can see this building is literally twice the size of that one. And you really have to admire all of the developments going on in Jamaica. This is just one of many buildings that are going up. This is going to be a residential building. It's going to have luxury apartments in it, over 100 luxury apartments. Now, the Pegasus was the tallest building in Jamaica for about 40 years. The Pegasus was built in the 1970s, and it's not until 2023 that a building has gone taller than a building has been built that is taller than the Pegasus. That's over 40 years. But this building will not be the tallest building in Jamaica. There is so much development going on that the ascent is going to be 27 floors. And they have actually just started construction of the ascent. You can check out the channel. We have videos up of what's going on with the ascent. And remember, we make videos every 2 weeks on these projects, so you can check them out. So the ascent is going to be 27 floors, and they've started construction of that building. Now, however, it's moving very slow, so the ascent probably won't reach or won't pass 20 floors for another 2 years. No, the ascent has been approved and they've started. There are 2 other developments that are going to be taller than the ascent, but they are still in the approval phase. Basically, they haven't started yet. One is a 28 floor building that's going to be built in Montego Bay. It's actually going to be 4 towers at our 28 floors each. And then there is another project to build a 34 floor building in New Kingston. It's actually going to be built in the parking lot of the Wyndham Hotel, the parking lot at the back. A massive property, and that is also in the planning phase. They haven't gotten approval yet. I'm not even sure, the last time we did an update on it, they had not submitted the plans for approval yet. But that is in the works. But for now and for the foreseeable future, this will be the tallest building in Jamaica. It should finish sometime next year. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.